All right, it's Tuesday the 7th. Good morning. Um, and I hope everybody's doing well, trading well. Yesterday was kind of a flat day. Well, yeah, you know what? I guess that's not entirely true. We opened up 48. I think where'd we close? Down a little bit. Um, but it seems like the volatility slowly edging out. Um, this is the futures, S&P futures, and we've been in consolidation. Today's the seventh day. We may break it. We're looking at the 240 chart right now. We have this pennant working right here. Looks like we're trying to break that low. The momentum is definitely bearish. So we're neutral pending a break of this low right here of 40.78. And I don't think I would mind that too much. But what I'm noticing is it seems like the volatility might be coming out of this bad boy. Very, very slowly, but it looks as though it may be coming out of this. And that'd be cool. I mean, I don't mind a bear market if we're moving, if the trading range is 40 points a day on the S&P. I mean, 150 points for the day. It's excellent for the short-term trading aspect of our portfolios, but horrendous for the midterm income trades, which I've really just backed off of that until I see the ATR come down a little bit. Long term, I'm buying shit that I think is cheap. I'm buying Tesla, but for the intermediate term, that's like a third of my portfolio, and I'm not doing anything with it, which is very upsetting. As far as trading, I mean that aspect's making money. So yeah, here actually is the trading range, the ATR, and it looks like it's fading off and giving us a little breathing room. Really, really high, man. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. I mean, like the ATR in November was down around 40. I mean, it peaked out at 80. And that was the second wave, the Omicron, where we picked up that volatility. But, usually, look, the ATR is usually down here. Crazy, 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 crazy. On the daily, you could see the consolidation right here. This is the seventh day in that consolidation. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. People may be just waiting for the Fed on the 14th. Um, a little trend down won't kill us. Yet, if we put in a higher low, I'm thinking we hit about 4,000 and then, take off after there. I'd like to see that. I wouldn't mind that at all. I mean, a move up straight from here, you could call that a low, I guess, if it makes the move, but I'd rather see a little low, maybe a dip down to the 4,000, and then it starts moving up a little bit. This is what I'd like to see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. So that's it for the S&P 500. So I'm neutral pending that breakout. All the other markets, I'm sure, are going to look relatively the same. Let's take a look at BTC. BTC. Yeah, BTC too in a consolidation. Look at that, just consolidating here. And you could even just have this as your channel and just be neutral. I mean, it's a nice wide channel. You could throw a center in the channel, which it's actually bouncing off of. Right? You can call that your center. If you wanted to trade, I mean, this is not a bad move right here, right? You're talking about 25 to 28. You got about 3,000 points here. So, breaking this 28,995, you could try to trade it down and, take a little bit off if you reach this. You might be able to trade back and forth in this pattern a little bit. Um, You'd have to drill down into a smaller time frame and find your setups. But this might be a good little trading pattern if you want to try to take advantage of that. Just make sure you have a good setup on a lower time frame. Keep your stops there and make sure you don't get hurt if you get caught on the wrong side, because that's all a part of trading, baby. So yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for the 10-year to roll over, really. I mean, momentum's fading off. I gotta get rid of this. Oh, that didn't do it. And we'll get rid of it later. Here's the 10-year. Momentum keeps fading. We're putting in another high. It looks like we're closing this gap. We closed that gap the other day. That shouldn't really be the top out. Yeah, it just looks like it's putting in a bearish divergence. I'm still confident this bad boy is going to start coming down throughout the summer. So I actually am getting ready to take half of my TBT off. I don't have it here. Okay, we go over here. So here's TBT. If you were with me for a while, we got in this thing. We got some at 17. We got some at 15. It's about actually 26.80. I'm probably taking about half my position off up over here, and seeing if I can buy that half back around 23. If I miss it, fuck it. I still got the other half to run. Junome. So anyway, everybody keep your eye open for that. If you're in it with me, it's a good time to take a little bit off the table, bank a little money. Bank a little money, honey. And Tesla, bank. Not buying it to trade it. I'm buying it on that pullback of the 10% announcement because that was bullshit. And if you sell off on bullshit, it sounds like a buying opportunity to me. When we look at this 240 right here, we got the retrace of 55 yesterday. Which was another encouraging aspect to buy it. So anyway, take a piece. See how it works out for you. If it doesn't work, you guys could always do me like they do Jim Cramer. Badmouth me on Twitter. All right, that being said, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and good luck trading.